on one of the tracks in the Mallee Sunset National Park. It's very dry around here still, up on the ridges. A little bit of green, but you can see all the dead trees. We had to diverge around the water that we found back there. We couldn't go down our main track, which I think is why this track's here. Just gives you an idea of what it looks like at the moment.
We come out today to go for a fish in the Murray, but we're in the Murray Sunset National Park, and we decided to try a spot that we've been before, but there must be an environmental flow going on or something, because all this water's here and we can't get through the tracks. And I'm on my own, so I'm not going to be stupid and try driving through grey soil country. But this water's been going for, I don't know, maybe 5, 6, 7 kilometres as it is. Every track we come across, it goes across, it's full of water. So we'll keep driving along it and see if we can get a way around it somewhere. We might end up fishing for the day. Just travel along the road and we found a big stumpy tail lizard. So he'd be a good maybe 350 long. He opened his mouth just a second ago, but I don't think he's going to do it again. Just sitting down having a fish here on the Murray River, and the cows have come down to have a drink. Lovely spot here, fishing in this area here. It's quite a good campsite. There's actually someone camped around just up the road from us today. Walk out here and just have a look. Beautiful spot down by the river though. There's a little track up there through the... There's some people behind the trees over to the left. Beautiful day as well today. Bit hard to...
We've come down just past Loch 9 on the Murray. Now, it paid to shift. We had no bites where we were before, but Fred's caught a nice size yellow belly down here, and we just had another one of the rods go off, so we'll be keeping that one. It's a good one. Fred's actually caught a little Murray cod here. We're pretty lucky. They always go back. We'd never eat a Murray cod, but very enthusiastic. He really had a go at the line. There he goes. Fred's got another yellow belly. We're going to put this one back because we've got one. Doing well here. Got a couple of yellow belly and a Murray cod, so it's not a bad day fishing. And no carp, which is very surprising.
I've just caught a carp, and I've thrown him on the bank down here, just waiting for the pelican. He might come in and get him. I'll go down and put him closer to the bank. Pelicans come up. I've put the fish closer to the bank, and the pelicans come up, so we'll go back a little bit and allow the pelican to come in. Here he comes. You can see it there. Go back a little bit more. He's just a bit wary of me. Where I've thrown it in amongst a couple of twigs, and he's finding it hard to get it out. There he goes, there he goes. Pulled it into the water, I guess. He's dropped it somewhere, the deal. Lucky I killed it. Did he? Did it go down that fast? Well, looks like he's going to have a go at it. Sizing it up. Again, can I spit this one down my throat? I think he decided the pelicans decided that the carp's too big for him.